So it is 9:30 in the morning right now. I'm gonna wake up, go do my morning routine, take care of business, see what I gotta do. Then I'm gonna go ahead and open up the laptop and look at Johnson & Johnson. Best time to look for pullbacks are during the midday, so I'll see you guys then. Nope, not in that one. Here it is. Best pre-workout. Go ahead and put some psychotic in here. It even has a warning on the label. Begin with a half a scoop.
Know I got it on me, so I'm never lacking. No, we ain't really with that talking, bitch. We bust that action. He not about that life, man. Can't swim in the tracks.
This Friday, we had a really good push in the markets this week. I'm going to go ahead and see which stocks are at their highs and which stocks are at their lows, so I can go ahead and look for some entries for next week, or possibly, you know what, I can go ahead and look for some entries today, as a matter of fact, to get some options for next Friday expiration date. Typically on Fridays, prices of contracts are a lot cheaper, so let's go ahead and dive in. So I did find some setup. Let's go ahead and dive into the computer. We're in the computer. Now that we're in the computer, let's go ahead and look at this trade that I found. So Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ. I'm going to go ahead and look at the monthly chart. As you guys can see from the monthly chart, we have this really nice trend, really nice bullish volume on here, and we are not looking for Johnson & Johnson to make any reversals in at least, I would say, the next 2 or 3 years. I cannot see Johnson & Johnson pulling back and going beneath the cloud. That's just not realistic. So where Johnson & Johnson is sitting at right now is some really good support. And if I go ahead and drop this down to the weekly, where the monthly 9-day is and the 26-day sits where the weekly is, so the confluence is there, that lets me know that there's a lot of buying pressure right here. Also, you can see that price has already started to wick for this week off of the 9-day, 26-day, which should let us get some more momentum and get a push. Hopefully we can push up to 139 by next week or so. So if I was to go ahead and place a buy on this, I would go ahead and place it right here. Put my take profit right here. The reason why is because let's go ahead and say that, you know, price went up and then hit right here. Then my take profit will go ahead and get hit. But if I had all it up here at the previous high, who's to say that price goes here, goes down to this resistance, and doesn't go all the way up to this high? So it stays right here and then falls down, and it totally misses my take profit. So I'd rather go ahead and be safe and move my take profit down to like at least 146 or 147 or so and keep it there. My stop loss will be right here by this previous low, I'd say about a month or so away. The reason why I put my stop loss right there is because I know that if price comes and breaks through the cloud and breaks to that level, we will head down to like the 125-ish area. So I'm going to go ahead and place a trade on Johnson & Johnson, and I will keep you all updated on that trade.